spots or hyperpigmentation are caused by excess melanin production in certain areas of our skin. Hey Glow Babes, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of dull skin, dark spots, acne scars that just don't want to go, then this video is for you. Just sit back and soak up the info. Let's get into it. Before we talk about the mask, let's understand what we are fighting. Dark spots or hyperpigmentation are caused by excess melanin production in certain areas of our skin. This can happen because of acne scars, sun exposure, hormonal changes, or skin injury. The good news is there are natural ingredients that help balance melanin production, lighten scars, and nourish your skin back to its healthy glow without harsh chemicals. Let's break down the ingredients in this powerful mask and why it works. Number one is turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Fights hyperpigmentation and give a skin a healthy glow. Has antibacterial properties that helps prevent breakouts. Number two is honey, raw honey. It is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, heals acne scars, and smooths irritated skin. Has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Number three is yogurt or milk. Contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, improves texture, and brightens the skin tone, helps fade marks over time. Number four, aloe vera gel. It hydrates and calms the skin, promotes healing and reduces inflammation, helps reduce redness and scars appearance. 5. Lemon juice. Contains vitamin C and citric acid, lightening dark spots but can be harsh on sensitive skin. Use with caution or skip if you have dry or sensitive. How to make this wonderful remedy? We are going to need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt or milk, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera, and a few drops of lemon juice if your skin tolerates it. Stir everything in a bowl until it forms a smooth golden paste, and that is your mask. So now, here is how to apply and use it effectively. 1. Always start with a clean, dry face. 2. Apply the mask evenly, avoiding your eyes and lip area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off gently with lukewarm water and pat dry. Finish with it with a light moisturizer or a few drops of facial oil. Use it 2 to 3 times a week consistently for visible results in 2 or 4 weeks. Everyone's skin is different, so give it a time. Let's be realistic. This isn't an overnight miracle, but you will notice that your skin feels softer and looks brighter after just one use. Over time, the turmeric and yogurt help lighten the pigmentation. The honey and the aloe heals scars, and the overall tone of your skin begins to even out. You may not also notice fewer breakouts, especially if your acne is caused by bacteria or inflammation. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Do a patch test. Always test small amount of the mask behind your ear or on your wrist before using it on your face. Turmeric may leave a yellow tint, especially if you are light skin. Don't worry, it fades. Use a milk-soaked cotton pad to help remove it. 3. Sun protection is key. Always wear your sunscreen during the day. Natural brightening makes your skin more photosensitive. Lastly, no lemon for sensitive skin. If you are experiencing dry or irritation, drop the lemon juice entirely. Natural skincare is not about quick fix. It is about consistency and nourishment. This mask works, but only if you are consistent. Pair it with a clean diet, proper hydration, and a simple skincare routine. If you have learned something new or plan to try this face mask, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. I had love to hear your skincare journey or results. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips and glow up hacks. Thank you for watching, and remember, your skin is beautiful and so are you. Bye bye. Catch you in my next one. Mwah.